Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. First up, the UK government has announced that they are going to launch a cryptocurrency task force. UK Chancellor of the Exchequer, Philip Hammond, is expected to announce a government crypto asset task force and a host of other fintech initiatives on Thursday. According to a statement from the Office of the Treasury, Hammond will reveal the task force, which will include the Bank of England and the Financial Conduct Authority, in addition to the Treasury, at the government's second International FinTech Conference. The initiative, part of the government's larger fintech sector strategy, will help the UK to manage the risks around crypto assets as well as harnessing the potential benefits of the underlying technology. Hammond is also set to announce several other measures relating to the fintech sector, more broadly including the next steps in robo-regulation, which is a really big thing if you have traded stocks before, especially even cryptocurrencies. Now a lot of people are trading with robots. This is very interesting. We already have the announcement that there was going to be it's kind of like the people who are into crypto, they're creating their own initiative to try and self-regulate cryptocurrencies, but I guess the government obviously is going to want to do it themselves. So this would be very interesting to see how it goes forward, and I'm assuming that only good things, more or less, will come from this, because it pretty much always comes down to figuring out how to stop money laundering for the countries. Next up, a major investor has announced that they are going to be launching a fund for EOS. The German fintech incubator FinLab AG and Block One, developer of the blockchain software platform EOS.io, announced a $100 million joint venture to develop projects that use EOS's software. Cointelegraph Auf Deutsch reported today, Monday 21st, that was yesterday. The FinLab run fund aims to further distribute the EOS.io platform run by Cayman Islands registered Block One. The company has promised $1 billion in funding together with other venture capitalists for EOS.io software. The fund with FinLab thus represents only a fraction of the seed capital of EOS.io. This is going to be a very big project. There's always criticism when it comes to new coins that are coming out, but there has been a lot of hype around EOS. It hasn't even officially launched. I think it doesn't officially launch until sometime June or July, sometime this summer, when the platform is supposed to properly roll out. But there are a lot of other projects, I want to say, that had eventually or originally planned to launch on Ethereum, and they are now moving over to EOS. There are a lot of price predictions, which I really won't get into during this video, but it seems to be a very bright future for EOS if they can actually do exactly what they said that the coin and the entire project can do. It's going to be a very interesting couple of months as we move forward. Last up is a very light news day after all the entire G20 news is completely gone, and there's no more ridiculous news about countries banning, and we kind of know exactly what's going to happen. They plan on taxing cryptocurrency, so very light news day, which is good. But this was constantly in the news when I was looking around for stuff. Abra has Abra is a, long story short, they're looking to kill Coinbase. I was trying to phrase it nicely, but this is exactly what they're trying to do. They are a new app or service that you can use to buy, sell, trade cryptocurrencies back and forth. They say that you can trade crypto. I am not, first off, forgot about that. I am not affiliated with them. I'm not being paid by them. I do not know these people. I have not been paid by them. I am not going to be paid by them. I just thought this was very interesting. I like telling other people about other new ways to invest, especially because there was a lot of hype around Robinhood, but apparently a lot of people, you aren't allowed to withdraw on Robinhood. At least they say for the moment. You will be able to do so in the future, but it's kind of weird that you can't withdraw your crypto at the moment. But on Abra, this seems to not be the case. I think they have over 20 cryptocurrencies that are available on their platform. It's very convenient because it is an app. They say that they have free and or very low fees, which is something I will get into in 1 second. And this has been all over the news. I believe this was on Forbes. This was on Fox Finance or something like that. So a lot of people are talking about this simply because it is a new way in order to get access to the cryptocurrency market. But because people have been complaining about Coinbase's fees on certain things, this is where Abra kind of comes in. This is the list of their fees instead of you having to look around through it on the entire website. It seems pretty good so far. I was looking around to see exactly what the negatives would be for this, and it seems that they're pretty much just Coinbase, but in an app, and they have much lower fees. So I think they officially launch on the 31st of this month. Don't hold me on that date, but this seems to be the thing. They also, I think they're only allowed in the US and the Philippines right now. This is where they have officially launched. And because other things that keep launching in the US only launch in a couple of states at a time, I'm not exactly sure what that's about. It seems that Abra is available throughout the entirety of the US from the get-go. So this could be interesting to look into. As always, please make sure to do your own research about an hour longer than this video if you plan on using Abra, so you do not lose any of your money and see exactly how they operate. But yeah, very light news day. I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I'll talk to you all soon, and yeah, see you.